Hey there! In this video, I will show you exactly how to get Robux from Sweatcoin. First of all, open up the Sweatcoin app. After opening the app, click on Sign in with Apple from the bottom. Then tap to sign in with your Apple ID. Right after that, click on Allow Motion and Fitness. Then tap to share step data. Now tap to turn on All to access and update your health data. After that, you can see your steps in the Sweatcoin app. 1000 steps generates 1 Sweatcoin, minus the 5% processing fee. Then tap on the shop icon from the bottom bar. You can see your account balance from the top right corner. Now, you can find the Roblox offers here, or you can buy any gift card from here and use it to buy the Robux, but you cannot buy the Robux directly. You can buy gift cards through Sweatcoin. You can invite your friends and earn some coins. Thank you very much for watching, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel.